This coffee table has a black hole in the center of it. Well, not exactly, but it's pretty close. You see, black holes are so massive that they literally bend space-time into this shape. I wanted to see what that would look like in real life, and since my background is in woodworking, we ended up here. But to understand how we got to this point, first, we have to rewind a bit to when I first had the idea, several months ago. So the basic idea was to take a hyperbolic cone, sort of like those coin funnels you see, have a system that launches glowing marbles and somehow retrieves them and keeps doing it over and over again. Put a glass top on it, give it some legs, and there you go, you have a working black hole table. As you can see, it's a pretty rough idea. Let me show you how I did it. If you wish to make a black hole table from scratch,
you must first invent the universe. Thank you very much.
And then you wait for trees to evolve.
How lovely trees are.
Then you take that tree, cut a ring out of it to fit around your glass top. Take a giant sheet of ABS plastic, sandwich it between two of those rings using 60 nice fasteners. Cut and tap 20 legs, put those on every third bolt. And then look up to see that there's a bird nest inside your light. Realize you've been distracted, get back to work building a pottery wheel. Spin the whole table on it. Grab some heating elements, suspend them over your spinning table. Do some good old-fashioned pottery. And that doesn't work. Add more heat. Finally start bending space-time. Realize you're not crazy and this could work. Take some time to smooth out the wrinkles. Realize not only does it work, it works well. Try out a bunch of different lifting mechanisms before settling on a 3D printed version. Motorize it. Add the rest of the tubing. Look up to see that your bird friends are all grown up now. Take some glow-in-the-dark airsoft pellets, add them to your system, put the glass top back on, and fire it up. Oh, and don't forget to put some UV LEDs in the path. Sit back and watch the magic happen. Okay, that was pretty quick, right? I actually made a separate video about the build process and you can check that out by clicking here. Anyway, back to this physics demonstration. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out part 2 where I go more in depth on the build. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button and consider supporting me on Patreon. Thanks. Bye.